Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, okay, before I do let me just do a proper introduction. If you are new here, please make sure you hit the subscribe button, and if you are a whole viewer, I want to tell you thank you a lot for clicking on this video. And you know I don't thank you. First guy, I go to beginning that eight. Okay, let me just show it to you here. It's pretty down now, so as you can see I have 0.004 Bitcoin. Okay, $78 now, $78.61. So guys, this app, just when you open this app, you're going to get 10 ET tokens, which was worth $10, but when it's launched, it's one like an high value. I think the highest was $20 or $100, I don't know. And I have someone who has been referring a lot of people and he has been using the app to trade and do a lot of stuff on it, and which is really profitable to him because he unlocked 1,500 of the coins. So let's check this coin out first of all. I think the all-timer is let me check it out. Okay, the all-timer is $100 per coin.